The National Weather Service in Philadelphia has issued a tornado warning for Delaware, Lincoln County until 10:55 p.m. At 10:50 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 15 miles north of Philadelphia. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving south-southwest at approximately 15 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this thunderstorm is capable of producing golf ball-sized hail, straight-line winds and extreme lightning. The safest location for a tornado is in an interior room, or go outside immediately. Stay away from windows and doors or a basement if it is available. The children will remember to kill your loved one. A tornado is coming, stay indoors until further notice. Open your doors.